So we are here on a no cool call and we are suspecting that it's low on charge. We have a whole bunch of oil over there. We put our probe on there and we're going to see it now, but a way to electrically check if your low pressure is open or not is first you check for a cooling call, which we have up here on our yellow, on our Y1, and we are getting 26 volts. You come over here, you have your low pressure, high pressure, so you just go like this. I just test the ground. You have 26, and it's coming back here. It's nothing. So that's how you know that your low pressure is open. That's why it's not calling for. And then to double check, I also have this on the suction side. And look at this. It's 410A, it's 90 psi. We're definitely low. Going over here, and look at this. See it's squirting out, that's the oil coming out, so there's definitely a leak here. These Cormax Schraders are notorious for leaking. We'll also have to check, we'll have to sniff and put some leak bubbles on there, but I don't think we're going to do that today on overtime. So that's how you do that. Happy edge working.